Internal PC communication failing because of the OneNote Button.dll library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. To begin our OneNote Button.dll library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the OneNote Button.dll library, the OneNote button for Outlook add-in module. It manages the localized Send to OneNote entry point within the Outlook ribbon. It facilitates the localized serialization of email body text, attachments, and metadata for instant localized import into the OneNote notebook architecture. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like OneNote Button.dll library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing OneNote Button.dll library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. A critical reminder, modifying OneNote Button.dll library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overriding essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility reference below includes information related to OneNote Button.dll library synchronization. If your workstation is back online and OneNote Button.dll library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.